to share with you. Oh, looks like there are two new beings entered our backyard. So looks like human boot print, a bird, and a cat. I know the cat is right here looking up. I know it's you. See how it's looking at me? I got you. So the cat is from our neighbor. The human footprint is, yes, my kid. And the bird is from Mother Nature. And as you see, my backyard, the cat still is staring at me. So our backyard is full of snow, and the cleaning is, so the snow plowers already cleaned the path. Okay, did I show you our lake? So that's our lake, which is frozen at the moment, and our car is fully covered in snow. I have some engagement in the evening, and I'm just already wondering. It's a tough job. I have to clean the snow. So overall, this is the human, the cat, and the bird. Look at the bird. The bird is actually very small. So there the snow blower goes.